मेहमान नहीं है यार। That guy knows how to hit. That is called perfect practice. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕೋಚ್ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? We both are playing the role of a coaches here now. So ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡಬಹುದಾ? ಈ ತರ? Correct ಅಲ್ಲ? Open your hands and speak. My dear friends, we are going to talk on.
So, when you one group, you can go. The next group you will go.
वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Time is most precious. Time in human beings.
Do not think about past which time has been passed. Think about the future. Like, for example,
If we sharpen this pencil, this dust will not go again in pencil.
Excellent. Super. So can we clap for this team again? Excellent. So next team. This team.
Telugu, Bengali, Marathi, so on. It has 29 states. There are so many colors.
Very
calling everyone myself is Vaibhav. I am studying in 9th class. Details.
My name is Tanisha K. I am from VPS School studying in 6th standard. First standard. Thank you.
Take the floor. Okay. That is your floor.
Shivam